part. Yes. So now we will move on to the price elasticity of supply. So what was price elasticity of demand? It was the degree of responsiveness to change in price and change in quantity demanded. Same way here, it is the responsiveness, degree of responsiveness to change in price to change in supply or change in quantity supplied of a commodity. There we have studied three methods to find out price elasticity of demand, right? But here you have only to study one method, that is the percentage method. So that was in percentage method for demand was percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. But coming here, percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. So that is the formula, percentage method for finding out price elasticity of supply. So I'll just show you formula how to reduce it. See here, price elasticity of supply is delta Q by delta P, this is delta QS into P by QS. Okay, so that is percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. So that is price elasticity of supply. And you have to, here you have to study, you remember our 5 degrees of price elasticity of demand. We have discussed 5 different diagrams. Same way we have to look through for price elasticity of supply also. So the first one is perfectly elastic supply. That is, producers are just waiting to change the, for getting a change in price to change their quantity supplied. So elasticity of, this is perfectly, yes, so that was a mistake done. So first one is perfectly inelastic supply. That is, whatever be the price, producers are not bothered to change the quantity supplied. So that is ES is equal to, or price elasticity of supply is equal to 0. But coming to here, it is a perfectly elastic supply curve. Whatever be the change in price, producers are just waiting to change their price, just waiting to change their quantity supplied. So that is ES is equal to infinity. And you have unitary elastic, whatever be the change in price, the same change will be happening in the quantity supplied also. That is unitary elastic, ES is equal to 1. Here, less elastic, that is ES is less than 1. So that means that is little steeper. So that means ES is less than 1. And you have more elastic supply where ES is greater than 1. So you can say 0 to 1. Yes, 0 to 1 is less elastic and 1 to infinity is more elastic. So here you can see this is little steeper and here it is little flatter. So these are the 5 different degrees of elasticity of supply. So in this chapter we have dealt with definition of supply, supply schedule, supply diagram, and factors affecting the supply of a product, as well as law of supply, movement along a supply curve, change in supply or shift in supply, price elasticity of supply, as well as individual supply and market supply. So these are the concepts related to supply. So now with this we have completed all what we have learned in demand. So that is a perfect match for demand and supply. Okay, now we will deal with more production theories. We have dealt with consumption theories, or where the consumer is attaining more equilibrium or maximum satisfaction. Now we have to look through where the producer will attain maximum satisfaction. So that all we have to deal with in the next week. Okay, so thank you.